Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jess, and I'm just getting ready now because I wanted to vlog on a Monday. So I just got home from work. Yeah, it's gonna be like a spring Monday night in my life. So I usually just like to keep it simple, but I want to try to just make this look a little less harsh with this black eyeshadow. Put a little makeup on, and I want to curl my hair. This is my first time curling my hair when it's new, like shorter length. If you didn't see, I posted a vlog, I think it was like 2 weeks ago. I went to the hair salon and my stylist was nice enough to let me film the process of her doing my hair. So if you want to check it out, I'll link it in a card above. But we cut about 5 inches off my hair. So I'm just gonna curl, see how this comes out. I'm just taking pretty big sections because I want to do it really quick. I'm just gonna see what happens when I do that. So I'm just gonna kind of leave it alone because it'll fall out because I have pretty straight hair naturally, so this is probably gonna fall out a lot. And that probably took like 5 minutes, so definitely faster with short hair. And then I'll take this one out when I'm ready. I'm just gonna see if putting this clip in helped or did anything different. So I flipped it back into my side part. I do still wear a side part. It's not like a really deep side part, but I feel like it worked good with clipping up the bangs. It's got a little volume to it. So I'm gonna go outside, set up the photo shoot thing, and I'll see what else I want to do for the night. So I am gonna be using a tripod for this, and actually I think I'm just gonna use my camera, but I do have a phone attachment for the tripod, and basically it's just self-timer photos. So this is what I use. This was bought from Amazon. But this could be used to prop up your phone on the tripod. But I'm just going to do the camera and the self-timer feature. So it's like pretty windy out right now, but I don't think it should affect me since I'll be basically like laying on the ground. But I have a table here, so I'm just using what I have. But I usually just lay the tripod on top of the table, and then I sit on a blanket because the grass is usually pretty wet. So I just balanced the tripod right on top of the table. You don't even see the blanket in the photo shoot. And I'm just gonna use the self-timer mode on the camera. And really simple, just lie down and do the photos. Change plans. I decided I want to change my shirt. So now I'm wearing this like brown, just a really simple shirt. And I grabbed some flowers. I got these fresh little flowers. So I'm gonna put these in my hair, I think. And yeah, the wind is a struggle. It's also really bright. I found some like shaded area of my grass. So I just moved over to the shade now, and I think it'll just make it easier because it's really hard when you're laying down and the sun's in your eyes to keep them open. Okay, so this is so much better when you're in shade. So I just got some of the photos. Hopefully some of them came out good. I'm pretty hungry, so I think I'm gonna eat something. But yeah, it's 70 and sunny right now. So nice. Really happy that the weather is getting warmer here in New Jersey. So I might as well just get a few more photos since I put some makeup on. I'll just do some photos with like a mirror. I just took like the mirror from my bedroom, which is like a long vertical mirror. And I'll just prop it up against the table, get a couple pics with my phone. I feel like that's just like a really easy like photo idea. I think it looks really cute. I think it's so creative. Just took some pictures. Pretty windy out, so it was a little hard, but I got a few. It was fun. I like getting like creative with the photos and just getting some stuff for my Instagram. So follow my Instagram if you want to see those photos at Lifestyle Jessica. It's like 6:30 now, so I'm getting like hungry for dinner. We do have leftovers from Easter. Love leftovers. My mom made mac and cheese, so we do have mac and cheese. Yeah, I might just eat the mac and cheese. I'm trying to be like healthy. I feel like I've been pretty good lately. I love mac and cheese, so I mean, I'm trying to listen to my body and just, you know, when I'm hungry, eat, and when I'm full, stop eating. But so I'm gonna eat dinner now, and I want to make protein balls. I showed them in one of my vlogs, but I didn't show how I made the exact ones with the vanilla chai protein powder. So I'm just gonna make those. I think they're pretty good. And I feel like that's what I've been doing, is like a healthier dessert. Sometimes I just like need something sweet. The protein balls just give me that sweet craving satisfaction. I'll eat like 2 of them, but I'll make those. I'll show you how I make them. You can honestly use whatever granola you want, but I've just been really liking this Trader Joe's low-fat mixed berry granola. It does have like some sugar in it, so it obviously is pretty sweet. It satisfies the craving for the sugar. But you can definitely use like plain oats or just like rice cereal, things like that. But I'm just gonna use this, make it more of a little treat. So I'm just using 2 cups of the Trader Joe's low-fat granola mixed berry cereal, 2 tablespoons of the Trader Joe's unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 scoop of the blessed vanilla chai protein powder, 2/3 of a cup of the Trader Joe's creamy salted peanut butter, and 1/4 cup of honey. And sometimes I'll put in 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, depending on how dry it is or not. So I'm just gonna mix all the ingredients together and then refrigerate them and eat them throughout the week. Just made the protein balls, but look at my cat.
Hello.
Hi. Oh, okay. She's just mad because she can't go outside now. Just had dinner. I'm gonna do a little workout now, so I think I'm just gonna do the 12, 3:30. Except my treadmill only goes to 10, so I'll just do like 10, 3:30, and probably just watch some YouTube videos while I do that. Just keep it really simple. Yeah, it's just a really chill Monday night, but I feel like vlogging. So I just have a treadmill in my basement here, which I'm so grateful for. Finished my little workout and watched a YouTube video. I was looking at the pictures from earlier and I think they came out nice. I'm just gonna shower now, do my nighttime skincare, and that'll be really it for the vlog. But this was just a random Monday night vlog. Okay, I'm gonna use purple shampoo today. I haven't really been using this. I just got my hair done a few weeks ago. I did get blonde highlights and balayage. I used the Amika Bustier Brass. I feel like this works pretty good. It's like overall a pretty good shampoo. I bought it at Sephora last year and I definitely don't use it too much. I mean, my stylist said that when you do blonde, you could put it in maybe once or twice a week. I personally put it in about once every 2 weeks. I just don't like to overdo it. I'm just gonna end off the vlog with my nighttime skincare. I just washed my face. So I just used the Trader Joe's jojoba oil to remove my makeup and a reusable cotton round. I just put a good amount of this all over my face, rub it in, and then just use the reusable cotton round to take the makeup off, and then I wash my face. And after my face is all clean and I have the makeup off, I just like to use the HA Intensifier by SkinCeuticals. I like to apply this on a slightly damp face. This is a hyaluronic acid, and apparently it's good to put this on over a slightly damp face. So I just put a small amount, pea-size amount, on my hand and just rub that in. For my moisturizer, I just use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I've been using all of this stuff for a while now, but it just works really well for my skin. And I stopped using eye cream because apparently some people say it's not really much different from a moisturizer, so I just put a little bit of my moisturizer around my eyes. And then I'll just apply my acne treatment. So I do still use the acne-free adapalene gel, 0.1%. It just comes in this little tube, and I've been using this for about a year now, and it's been working really well for me and really clearing my skin. So I do have a video on how I cleared my skin. I'll link it in a card above if you haven't seen it. But this has made such a big difference in my skin. And this is basically the same as Differin. It's just adapalene gel, 0.1%. And I want to say I got this for around $10 to $15 at Harmon Drugs. So any drugstore sells this now. And I just take a pea-sized amount and put it all over my face and then rub it in gently. And I just make sure I get this all over my face, except for my eyes and around my nose, because that can cause some irritation and dryness. This is a topical retinoid, but my skin has gotten used to it at this point, so I don't peel or get really itchy or dry skin anymore. So now it just works really well for me and doesn't irritate my skin at all. And after I just apply the acne-free adapalene gel, I just like to go in with the Clean and Clear 10% benzoyl peroxide. And I just like to use this as a spot treatment. And I just realized this, that apparently when you're using benzoyl peroxide, you're not supposed to rub it into your skin. You're just supposed to kind of have it more like dab it on and leave it a little more concentrated so that it really works to clear the pimple. So I was like rubbing it in. If you rub it in, I think it could just remove some of the efficacy of the product, so it might not work as strongly or be as potent. So I try to just dab it where I have an active breakout and just lightly pat it onto the pimple. And I feel like these two products just work really well together for clearing skin. And that's all for my nighttime skincare. I'm pretty tired. It's like 9:30 now, so I'm just gonna get in bed and chill for the night. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little random Monday night vlog. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.